Welcome to day 21 of my 0 to 10K Amazon KDP advertising challenge. My name is Dean the Wealth Coach, and let's begin. So let's see, I don't know what this is. Yeah, we're at the 3 week mark. 1 week left. It's been a fun journey. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're finding value in this video or any of the videos that I have uploaded. So that's my books. So let's go to reports. Oh, we got a sale. We got a sale today. Oh, we got a sale today. All right, but we're still far away. And this one came in today. So let's see. It's last month. Oh, we got another sale yesterday. Oh, we got a few sales. Let's see what sold yesterday. Oh, look, my mindfulness guide sold. Amazing. So we got two sales. We got one yesterday and one today. All right, so 50 or 54 or 53. I'm grateful. So we got a few sales. So let's go look at our marketing and see what's up over there. I'm excited. My thing book finally got sold. My new book. All right. Now, the thing is, so 98, let's see, 34,000. We got 129 clicks. So we're still spending a lot, which is fine. If I can make one sale, that means I can make 10 sales. But I need to figure out how I got the first sale. The moment you can figure out how you got your first sale, that's when you can amplify or scale to get to the next level. So right now, with my other book that I created, I got one sale. So now my next goal is to get 10 sales. So if I can figure out what keywords are working and lower my cost for cost per click or cost per customer, then I'm good. So I got a few more clicks here, not too many more clicks. Impressions are going up a bit. My A cost is still high. Let's see, A cost, what does it spend? Yeah, my spend is still high. A cost is, so let's see what got us that sale. Orders. This one keeps tripping up. I just really wish Amazon would just let you delete things. Like, why does it need to keep a history of things if you want to delete it? Right here. So this one, my A cost. So I got the order here. My A cost is 5%. I got 2 clicks. So that's good. Move down a bit further. So we're still spending money here there. So let's see, what do I have for, which ad was this one? Oh, I put up 11 things for this one. Okay, so I gotta check how much I'm spending. Okay, so these are all the ads that I have. And this is the one I converted. So I got 2 clicks, I spent 18 cents on that. And I made a profit of like $4. So look at that, 36 cents. I got to sell for $6.97. $6.97 is not including Amazon's fee. So of that, I make about 60%. So what I did for this book is I ran a bunch of ads and I added the maximum amount of keywords. So here, and I kept it at a decent price. What did I use again? Oh, let's go check how much I put. 20 cents. So I left it at 20 cents, but I had a bunch of keywords. So we need to find out what keyword got us this sale. So it looks like books. Which one was it? Oh, just books. Okay. So we spent 20 cents on this. It's not a bad return. 20 cents, you make $4. Books. It's just a random keyword. I wouldn't have thought it would have came from that, but okay, so we'll wait to continue to see. So this month or next couple of days, we'll probably be spending more money on spend, but that's okay. So we just continue to wait and see if any magic happens. Let's go see what Canada's saying. Okay, so we take that out. Canada and the UK, eh? Or Canada says A. UK says in it. So let's see here. Oh, we finally spent money in the UK. 50 cents or 50 quints, pence, whatever they call it over there. So it was this one, kids book. Let's see how many clicks we got. Let's see here. So use terms, we got the clicks. Let's add some columns here. So we got one click and it was 50 quints. I don't know why I like that. Again, if you're finding value in these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with my challenges. And I also will be doing book reviews coming soon, so look out for that as well, guys. Okay, so let's go to Canada and wrap this bad boy up. Ooh, Canada. Okay, I gotta sign in. We finally have some ad spend in Canada. Let's see which book it was. I was like, someone actually clicked my book. Okay, it wasn't the credit book. So it'll probably be the kids book. If you guys haven't checked out my kids book that I just released, the link is in the description below. It's called A is for the Financial ABCs, teaching kids pretty much what I wasn't taught in school and giving them a head start. So make sure you check out the link below. And if you join my mailing list, you can get a free copy of the book by just joining my mailing list. Alright, so we got a bit of ad spend. Let's see what got somebody to click. Oh yeah, this is automatic. So, oh, I know what I can do. Search terms. Oh, this is what the spending on. Okay, nothing special. Alright, so that brings a conclusion to my ads right now. So hopefully we start seeing a bit more traction and then we can start boosting ads. Right now, that one that kind of had the increase, I don't want to touch that yet. I'm going to do some more research to figure out what to do once we start getting sales from a keyword, because I don't think I researched that yet. And once I figure out that, then I'm going to increase and just, I got what, 8 days left to hit, or 9 days left to hit 10 grand. But I'm very optimistic. I will hit that goal. I will see you guys tomorrow for day 22, I believe. I think I said 21. But yeah. So I'll see you tomorrow.